Hi, I'm Lavanya. I'm one of the coach in CIY Club. CIY Club has been running a school holiday program since 23rd of November and will end on the 23rd of December this year. Our aim for this program is that we want to introduce our kids to the basic of game coding and 3D design and printing. In just 2 days, they will be able to learn the basic of game coding and also 3D design. In my opinion, it's very beneficial for our future coders to join our program because they will be able to learn the basic skills of technology. And as the industry is evolving to Industry 4.0, we are trying to equip our future generation with digital skills, which will be one of the requirements for our future industries. As in CIY Club, we want our future coders to be a creator and we don't want them to be a user. So this is what we want in our future generation for them to equip themselves.